solves problems by we have a couple of philosophies that we bring to the table. One is we like the old guerrilla marketing terminology. In other words, what we try to do is take every dollar we get from a client and get the best possible returns by making it work really, really hard. We never take any budget for granted. Every dollar counts, and we use the guerrilla marketing tactics to, I guess, outsmart, outmaneuver your competitors with your budget. We also got a saying in the office. We say, be more pirate. Now, being more pirate is purely the opposite of being in the Navy, where it's got, there's a lot of rules and it's confined, it's inflexible, there's hierarchy instead of meritocracy. So when you be more pirate, you're thinking outside the square of it. You're finding ways to achieve more with less and quicker. The best way to do it is right underneath me. We've got click a meeting with myself. As I said, it's a 10-minute connect call, just to get the ball rolling and see if we're a good fit for each other.